Welcome inside the human body. One tiny cut can open a deadly doorway. Foreign bacteria surge in fast, carrying infection straight into living tissue. Instantly, chemical alarms flash through the bloodstream, calling for reinforcements. First responders arrive, neutrophils rolling along the vessel wall like pursuit units. Built for war, each neutrophil carries lethal tools, granules, and a multi-lobed nucleus. They change shape and squeeze through the vessel wall, exiting directly onto the battlefield. Outside, bacteria tear into healthy cells, spreading damage across vulnerable tissue. A neutrophil strikes, grabbing a bacterium and swallowing the invader whole. Inside the cell, enzymes flood the trap and dissolve the bacterium into fragments. But the enemy multiplies too fast, cloning again and again, overwhelming defenses. Now the heavy armor arrives. Macrophages, giant hunters that devour threats in bulk. The macrophage releases a stronger distress signal, amplifying the call for backup. Far away, inside a lymph node, T cells and B cells rest, waiting for activation. A dendritic cell presents a bacterial fragment, awakening a helper T. The helper T cell ignites and rapidly clones into a powerful command force. These commanders activate B cells, transforming them into antibody factories. Millions of Y-shaped antibodies launch out, designed for this exact enemy. At the same time, killer T cells prepare to eliminate compromised host cells. A massive immune wave surges through the blood, racing toward the infection site. Back at the wound, bacteria construct a protective biofilm shield for survival. Then, antibodies rain down, piercing defenses and locking onto bacterial targets. Coded and tagged, the bacteria are immobilized, neutralized, and exposed. Killer T cells scan the battlefield, searching for infected or corrupted cells. Target identified. Cytotoxins are injected with lethal microscopic precision. The infected cell self-destructs through apoptosis. Clean, controlled, contained. Macrophages advance, consuming antibody-tagged bacteria with ruthless efficiency.
The antibody pathogens and extends its pseudopods.
The tide turns. Immune forces overwhelm the invaders, reclaiming damaged tissue. The last survivors attempt escape, hiding deep within muscle structures. Neutrophils deploy their final weapon, casting vast DNA nets to trap remnants. The final bacterium collapses and dissolves. The invasion is over. Silence returns. Cleanup begins as cellular repair mechanisms restore order. To prevent collateral damage, surplus immune cells peacefully shut down. Memory T and B cells retreat to bone marrow, preserving enemy blueprints. Weeks later, the same bacteria attempt another invasion through fresh tissue. Memory responses trigger instantly, annihilating the threat before replication. Zoom out to reveal the truth. Your body is a fortress under constant guard. This is your immune army. Subscribe to keep exploring the universe within.